Well, I do have a cat, but he doesn't know how to use a computer. You didn't learn how to use a computer and try to order $500 worth of cat treats, did you? Listen, bud, I know now that the first time around, I was a little bit too lenient on you. But this time, I mean business, bud. In fact, I'm gonna roll up my sleeves just so you know how serious I am. Alright, look. I don't make much money, okay? We can't be ordering 300 pounds worth of cat treats. No, I'm not offering you a treat. I'm just saying that we can't. But you can't be so selfish, okay? No, not shellfish. Selfish. It means that you're thinking about yourself before others. Look, just please, before you do anything, just ask me. And if we can afford it, then I'll get it for you. Okay, well, good talk. Now I gotta load it with 300 pounds worth of cat treats in the trunk of my car. Take it down to the post office. You think you can give me a hand? What did I just say about being selfish? Never mind, I'll do it myself.